We're going to do a brief video on Meta stock analysis, and we've got a daily chart here of Meta with a 5-day moving average in green, a red 20-day moving average in blue, 200-day moving average. In a minute, we're going to give you some other time frame charts, hour, daily, weekly, monthly, and then we're going to also take a look at some support and resistance prices on here. We use some technical analysis to show you exactly what's going on with Meta. It's hard to see here, but Meta is all the way down here now. We've had this huge gap last week, and Meta's dropped down. It's currently trading at about $94 a share, down 4%, down $4, 22 million shares on total average daily volume, 33 million shares, and it's about 10:30 on Monday, the 31st of October. So let's take a quick look at Meta. We can see it's in a deep bear market. It started back here in January of 22, and it just keeps getting worse and worse and worse. It came down, put in the bottom, and you'll notice it came all the way across here until it got a reasonable distance from the 200-day moving average, which is what it does. Once it gets oversold, it either rallies up or goes sideways, and that's what most stocks do. Once it came across here, the oversold condition was fixed, and then it just sold off. So that's your daily chart. It's a disaster. But let's take a look at the weekly chart and see if it looks any better. You can see this is one of the worst weekly charts you'll ever see. This is a chart that is just, for a weekly chart, is just a complete nightmare. It's almost like an hourly chart, which I'll show you in a minute. You really don't have any support left down here. There's a tiny little thing right here back from August 15th. I mean, I wouldn't rely on it, but it's 72 bucks. You know, Meta's currently at $94. So there's really no support until we get down here to the low 70s. But again, that's not much of a support position down here. Meta's completely broken down. It's a disaster. This is the 20-week moving average. This blue is 200-week. So we're in a deep bear market, not only on the daily chart, but on the weekly. Let's go to the monthly and take a look and see what that looks like. This is a monthly chart of Meta, a 20-month, a 5-month in green, and you can see nothing good here either. Here's this little spot we picked up on the 15th earlier, 2015 at $72, and you can see there's just nothing left till we get all the way down here, $17. So Meta's in a complete meltdown. The only way this stock, in my opinion, this is for entertainment purposes only, is going to get some decent support is if something massive happens, a reorganization or something. But it doesn't look like anybody wants to buy this stock right at the moment. Let's take a look at the hourly chart real quick for Meta. This blue line is a 200-hour moving average, and then of course the red is a 20-hour, the green is a 5-hour. This is a very strange looking hourly chart for Meta. This price should be well below this 200 blue hour moving average, and it's not. It should be like this, but even more spread out. This is a very strange chart, to be 100% honest about it. I think that this is just complete and total capitulation, complete and total distribution at every single rally, and you normally wouldn't see this kind of chart for an hourly chart on a stock on a decline. So this is almost just despair. Honestly, the way I look at it, again, for entertainment purposes only, all my opinion, but not a good hourly chart at all. You could argue that it's now oversold down here on an hourly basis, and we should rally up. The way the stock's been doing this, it's been sticking and hugging very close to the hourly chart. So this hourly right now is about 131. I'm not suggesting it's going to rally that high, but it's certainly due for a rally on an hourly basis, and you could easily get yourself a rally up to 115-ish or even higher. I don't want to be too optimistic. To correct the oversold condition on an hourly chart. So that's what I got with you for the technical analysis. Let's take a look at Facebook and see if we have any prices for today. We cover Facebook. RBM Research does cover Facebook, and it looks like it has no entry position today, which was a good thing for RBM Research algorithms, because the stock is currently down over 4%. So that's what we've got for you today. Let's take a look and see what you can get every morning at 7 a.m. or earlier at rbmresearch.com. We cover algorithmically generated entry prices for 190 stocks, the major forex pairs, BTC crypto, and the most liquid futures contracts, all free. No credit card required. Link in the description below takes you to rbmresearch.com. Just put your email in there and sign up for immediate access, open 24 hours a day, but you get updates at 7 a.m. All the prices will be updated at a minimum by 7 a.m., usually the evening before, after 6 p.m. Keep in mind, everything you've seen or heard on here, including our entry prices and commentaries, for entertainment purposes only. You should always do your own analysis, and you definitely trade at your own risk. If you like this video, please click the like button. If you want to subscribe, please do that as well. And if you have a great comment for us, we'd love to hear it in the comment section below.